This tiny black seed can help you lose weight, fight aging, boost energy, and even make your skin glow. Yet most people walk past it every day without knowing it could completely transform their health. Well, the secret lies inside one of nature's most powerful superfoods, chia seeds. But before you rush to sprinkle them on your smoothie, here's the shocking truth. If you don't use them the right way, you might be missing out on 90% of their powerful nutrients. So, stick with me till the end, because I'll reveal exactly how to get the real benefits from chia seeds and why your body will thank you for it. Hello friends, welcome back to Healthy Horizon. Chia seeds might look simple, but they are nutritional powerhouses that date back to ancient civilizations. The Aztecs and Mayans considered them the food of the gods, tiny grains packed with energy and endurance. And modern science agrees. These little seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, protein, fiber, antioxidants, and essential minerals that support everything from heart health to glowing skin. 1. Boost heart health naturally. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, the same healthy fats found in fish. These fats help reduce bad cholesterol, lower inflammation, and keep your arteries flexible, which means a healthier heart and better blood circulation. In short, they are like natural heart protectors, all packed inside a spoonful of seeds. 2. Help you lose weight without starving. Trying to lose weight but hate feeling hungry? Here's the trick. Chia seeds absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, forming a gel-like consistency in your stomach that keeps you full for hours. This slows digestion, balances blood sugar, and crushes unhealthy cravings, helping you eat less without even trying. 3. Improve digestion and gut health. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds give you almost half of your daily fiber needs. Fiber helps sweep toxins from your digestive system, prevents constipation, and feeds the good bacteria in your gut, keeping your stomach happy and healthy. Think of it as a daily detox, but natural and effortless. 4. Boost energy and endurance. The word chia actually means strength in the ancient Mayan language, and it's no coincidence. These seeds deliver long-lasting energy without sugar crashes, making them perfect for busy mornings, workouts, or anyone needing a natural pick-me-up. 5. Give you glowing, youthful skin. Here's where it gets exciting. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants that help fight free radicals, the main cause of aging skin, wrinkles, and dullness. Their omega-3s also keep your skin hydrated and elastic, giving you that natural, healthy glow from within. Regularly adding chia to your diet can help you age slower and shine brighter. 6. Strengthen bones and muscles. Each serving of chia seeds contains more calcium than milk, more iron than spinach, and more magnesium than most superfoods. That means stronger bones, better muscle function, and faster recovery after exercise, all from a plant-based source. How to use chia seeds the right way. Now, remember that part 1 mentioned earlier about most people missing out on the real benefits. Here's why. If you eat chia seeds dry, your body might not absorb the nutrients properly. The best way to use them is to soak them in water, juice, or milk for at least 15 to 20 minutes before eating. This activates the nutrients and makes them easier to digest. Try adding them to smoothies or yogurt, oatmeal or cereal, homemade juices or lemon water, or even baked goods like pancakes or muffins. Chia seeds may be tiny, but their impact is massive. They support your heart, improve your digestion, help you lose weight, boost your energy, and even make your skin glow, all naturally.